Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Home Interiors. Are you looking for the kitchen design ideas? We will help you. In this video, I am going to show you the beautiful and latest collection of kitchen designs. So stay with us and watch this video till the end. There are lot of factors that you need to consider when you plan to design a new kitchen or to remodel it. A kitchen is often the hub of the home, so it is very important to get it right. Otherwise, it is heartbreaking. Kitchen remodeling needs more thought than picking a few colors and materials. There are many factors that you need to consider, such as your budget, the flooring, kitchen cabinets, work surface, what's your style, etc. So if you talk about the budget, you need to decide on a maximum budget for the project and choose crucial elements such as flooring, kitchen cabinets and countertops before you select anything else. If you need to keep costs down, perhaps you can retain the current kitchen layout and replace the cabinet doors, fixtures and fittings. You also need to plan whether you will do the work yourself or need to hire an interior designer who can help you out. What are the best design elements in the kitchen? Knowing how important kitchens are, they should be designed in such a way that it will make the person working it feel comfortable. It does not have to be really expensive to look beautiful. The important factors that you need to consider are: the first is the flooring. Flooring choice plays an important role in the kitchen design. Since the kitchen floor takes a lot of abuse, consider durability, cleaning, appearance and also comfort when choosing the flooring material. For example, ceramic tiles are durable and easy to clean. Wood floors are warm and natural, definitely look good in almost any space, but it requires more maintenance and care than any other flooring. The second element is the kitchen cabinets. For a modern look, you need to make your appliances look built-in, especially your refrigerator. Since it occupies the highest space in the kitchen, a kitchen also needs space to store food, cookware, and small appliances. Design the cabinets in such a way that all these can fit in. The third element could be the work surface. The kitchen design should include enough space for you to work comfortably so that you can complete your normal routine. The length of your countertops depend on your needs. But no matter what, the main concern is that the material you choose should be durable and easy to clean. What's your style? Kitchen styles comes in many varieties, and you must have a strong idea about how you would like your new kitchen to look. There are many fun and funky kitchens with bright colors, but you need to design it based on the kitchen space available. If you are still in need of inspiration, you can find the amazing ideas in our video. What colors should I use for my kitchen? When it's time to choose the colors for your kitchen, make sure you first take a moment to think about the mission of the kitchen. If you are really looking for excitement or it is a room more for helping you find a sense of peace, If it is a modern kitchen, do you want it to be your space to invent and conduct experiments, or are you and your family looking for a room that appears to be a great spot for entertaining? The heart of the home, the kitchen, must appeal the taste of many. When it comes to learning how to paint your home's heart, choosing the right kitchen colors is everything. Use some spicy, warm kitchen colors such as red, orange, and yellow that relate to food and offer appetizing surroundings. Use cool kitchen paint colors like green, blue, and violet to create a calm and fresher atmosphere. A simple color change can definitely update your kitchen in major ways. The right shade of grey, for sure, can turn the room from drab to sophisticated, and the red can take it from overwhelming to perfectly dramatic. Most people, of course, start their days in their kitchens, and white can really energize a room. It feels fresh and clean. An all-white kitchen will definitely wake you up the minute you step in it. You can also have more fun with your countertops and backsplash in an all-white kitchen and choose brighter colors or designs for those. If you have a small kitchen, you definitely need big ideas in order to make the best use of the small space. White is a color which can make a small space look big. So far, a start. Try to paint the kitchen walls white. Use light colors for furniture and cabinets because darker colors make it look shabby and small. Try to fit in all the kitchen items and appliances inside the cabinet. This will make it look cleaner and neater. Do not overburden your kitchen with furniture and other accessories. You can get amazing kitchen design ideas at our channel, which will definitely inspire you to redecorate your kitchen immediately. So this was all about the kitchen design ideas. If you enjoy this video, then please hit the like button. You can also subscribe our channel for the more videos like this. We will meet in the next video. Be happy, stay blessed. Thank you. One more thing. Wait. You can also give us your feedback in the comment box. So don't forget to give your feedback. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Stay happy. Stay blessed.